We are at Coil Winding Berlin on the APC Media platform. Come and join us at the Coil Winding exhibition. We are in Berlin on the APC Coil Winding Media platform. I have with me today Keyur Shah, CEO and Chairman of Yash Highvoltage. Keyur, welcome.
Thank you so much, Chris. Thanks for having me with you here.
Keyur, very exciting times for Yash. You have listed on the exchange. Tell us a little bit of your journey.
Yeah, it has been a wonderful listing, and we as a Yash are very happy to be in this time around in the power industry. And the IPO was super successful. We could get bumper listing, and we could give multiple time returns to our investors, and the growth capital is now available for us to be ready for the global market and to put up an infrastructure which is needed for this very critical component of a power transformer. We are very happy, very excited to be here in this time.
Glad to hear. You produce not only oil-impregnated bushings, but also you produce resin-impregnated bushings.
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit of your current factory manufacturing oil-impregnated bushings, and then the very exciting news about the resin-impregnated factory and progress.
Okay, we have been in this field for more than 20 years now. OIP, we have been manufacturing up till 245 kV. The market demand is increasing, higher voltage class, and we have now stepped up. The new facility is now for 550 kV range. In India, typically we have 420 kV, but globally there is a 550 kV range also. So the new facility, which is now just near to completion, 90-95% work is over, and another 2 months we should be ready for the inauguration. And it is a world-class facility what we have created, and major equipments from Europe, and the infrastructure is truly scalable, and we can be able to deliver much more than what is needed in the coming times.
Your RIP technology is your own. You have invested a huge amount of money and time in developing your own concept, your own prototypes. Tell us a little bit more about that.
Yeah, so we are an independent player. When we say independent, we are not owned by any large multinational. We are not a part of any large corporate. So we have had our journey, and we are fortunate to have good engineers and good advisor and good consultants. So we are developing an indigenous technology which we will be able to now showcase to the world. And we are very happy with the initial work which has happened. And we are just now getting ready for the large global bushing boom which is happening overall.
Right. There is an understanding in strategy management that you have to grow from strengths. You are a market leader in India. You have already penetrated the European market, have supplied huge amounts already here, but there are also plans in terms of America. So take us a little bit on the journey. What is your position within India, the successes in Europe, and then what the future will hold in America?
Yeah, we have been very successful in Europe and thanks to this show, Coil Winding, we have been participating here for a couple of years, and we have been also visiting this exhibition as a visitor also initially. It's my 14th year here, and we got very good success here in Europe, and now US is a huge demand for different requirements for data centers, for wind projects, for the transmission lines. And we have opened up office in US now. We also have an employee, and we have an advisor. Our employees from India also travel. And there are many transformer companies in US who also have some other activity from India. So we believe that we are at the right time focusing our energies for USA. And we already got some initial success in last 2 years. And it's a product which takes some time. We need to be more and more visible. We need to be more and more approaching to the customers and to get them confident about our company, our product, our deliverables. Fortunately, because of our OIP bushings, we are already known globally. So that is helping us. And also the bushing demand is huge, and good suppliers are always in need. So we are very excited and we are very much optimistic about our success in Europe and in US in coming times.
Yash is becoming a global player. They are flexing their muscles. You've recently acquired Sukrut.
Yeah.
Please tell us a little bit about this acquisition.
Yeah, we are doing good. We are not overconfident, but we are reasonably confident that we should be able to position our company on a global map. And we believe that in this journey, it is always also good to add complementary products. And one of the reason was to acquire Sukrut and to also offer more to the customer. And Sukrut has been a legacy company, very old in the product range of transformer components. And we are very happy that this acquisition is also going to help us position strongly with additional products from Yash side also. And for Sukrut also, it will be good to use the Yash network.
In terms of Sukrut, please tell us what influenced your decision, what are their product range, and how does this transaction come about?
Sukrut has been a legacy company, more than 50 years old in this field, and they make transformer components for the power transformer range also, the distribution transformer range also, Buchholz relay, pressure release valve, oil temperature indicator, and they have been in this field for around many years. The company we have bought now is from Reinhausen Group from Germany, the MR Group, and we are now investing further in this company. We believe that the products are world class and the market is global. And we as a strategy want to be investing more into the component business. Sukrut is our first acquisition, and going forward, we would want to acquire more and to create a strong presence in the transformer component segment.
Exciting news, certainly. In terms of your unique selling proposition, how would you formulate your unique selling proposition in terms of your products?
Our products are benchmarked to the global standards. Of course, we need a good product, good price, good delivery terms, and quality, of course, is at the top. Design excellence. In my view, the things what stand out Yash differently from others is that we are an independent company. When I say independent, we have no captive consumption which is allocated to any specific company. We are able to deliver to maximum customers and to give solutions as per the customer's requirement, to customize. Being independent, we are agile. We can take up new developments very fast. We can make to customers' requirement. Sometimes it's a special component development. It might be an additional type test. It might be some product adaptation. We are also into retrofits. Very few solutions are available when it comes to an old bushing repair or refurbishment. So not only new products, but even in the existing range, if a customer is having a pain with an existing bushing, we are able to also repair, retrofit, and give a replacement interchangeable to an existing bushing. So we today believe that our independentness is our USP.
What would you say if you have one central message to existing customers and most importantly, perhaps to your future customers? What would your message be?
Our message would be, we are ready to serve, and we will be coming to you soon, globally, everywhere.
Brilliant. In conclusion, you have been a regular participant in coil winding. You have, over the last couple of years, had your own stand. What are your thoughts on Berlin and specifically Berlin 2026?
I have been visiting this fair since last more than 14 years, and as an exhibitor now last couple of years. And I should tell you, I have been extremely satisfied with the response what we get here. The venue is good, the presence of all the customers from across the globe, and the way the layout is, we are seeing it getting bigger and bigger every year. More and more number of participants, many more visitors. And when we meet here, it looks like an Indian Kumbh Mela. We meet everybody at a common platform, and we are able to meet and greet. And very good response and very friendly team here from the exhibitor side. And we have it's a flawless execution of the stall here. And very nice overall arrangements. We like Berlin. The vehicle management is good. We can get a taxi very fast. There are no issues with the logistics when we put up a stall, when we have to dismantle everything after the exhibition. Everything is flawless.
Keyur Shah, Thank you very much for your attendance.
Thank you so much.
For your insights.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, and I hope to see you back
looking
again.
forward to a wonderful time ahead for you also.
Thank
have
you
a nice
very
day
much.
And have a nice year ahead.
Thank you.
Thank you.